Health's American Family Children's Hospital is hosting its largest fundraiser of the year.
They're talking about the 12th annual Radiothon, and it raises money for programs that benefit the child patients as well as their families. And last year, the hospital raised more than $650,000. News 3 This Morning reporter Eden Shekel is live at the hospital this morning. Good morning, Eden.
Hi, good morning, Adam and Charlotte. So Radiothon starts in about 15 minutes at 6 o'clock. It's pretty busy here, but it's only going to get busier. I'm joined by Tom Young, who's one of the directors of Radiothon, or the organizers, I should say. Good morning. Thanks for being here.
Well, thank you for being here. We really appreciate it.
Absolutely. So we hear this slogan from you guys, be a champion all the time. Explain to people what that means.
You know, we're asking people to be a champion for kids. Donate $15 a month, put on your credit card or e-check, and that just goes so far because we're able to really have sustainable money coming into the hospital to provide programs for our patients and families.
Now, I'm sure you've heard many stories. You see families coming in and out of this hospital all the time. Can you share with us a story that has really stuck out to you these last couple of days?
You know, on Wednesday we interviewed a family. They have 4 kids, and over the last 5 years they've had 5 major diagnoses. 3 kids with type 1 diabetes. Then one of those kids had developed bone cancer, stage 4 Ewing sarcoma, so really tough cancer to treat. And then his sister was diagnosed with epilepsy. I mean, this family's been through so much, but they said that it's the Children's Hospital and the support of champions that has helped keep them whole and given them confidence and faith to keep fighting these fights.
These stories are heartbreaking, but it's nice to know that there's a place where they can come to for support.
Absolutely.
Now, for people wondering about where this money goes and what programs it helps, can you share with us where exactly it goes?
Yeah, so that family I just referred to, they have 5 kids, excuse me, and they would plan times to come to the hospital so that they could share family meals, so they could all still gather around the kitchen table the way they do at home. We support that kind of program, gas cards for families that are traveling long distance, and our Child Life program to provide a lot of toys and activities for kids, as well as equip them to cope with what's happening.
All right, well, thank you so much. Again, here's your last pitch. For people watching at home, maybe contemplating about donating, tell them why they should donate.
Well, you should donate because this money goes so far to help our families, and it's really easy. You can call 877-719-KIDS and become a champion today.
Become a champion. You guys heard Tom say that right there. Again, you can call 877-719-5437. You can also donate online at their website. We'll have that link on our website at channel3000.com. You can check there for more details. Again, I mean, I actually just spoke to someone who had such a touching story. She works here, but she lost her daughter about 8 years ago. So we're going to hear her story coming up as well, Adam and Charlotte.
All right, a lot of stories to be had there. All right, Eden Shekel reporting for us from the Children's Hospital this morning. Thank you so much.
All right, it's 6:32 right now. New detail, UW Health's American Family Children's Hospital is a popular destination for kids and families seeking care.
Today is the 3rd day of the 12th annual Radiothon, raising money for programs benefiting child patients and their families. News 3 This Morning reporter Eden Shekel has more. Good morning, Eden.
Hi, good morning, Adam and Charlotte. So Radiothon started at 6 o'clock today. I've got 93.1 Jams behind me raising money. Q106 is over there raising money. And they're hearing stories from families. Families are sharing their stories about what they've gone through here at the hospital. Someone here to tell us a story, though, is Lori Schultz. Thanks for being here today.
Well, thanks for having me.
Now, we were talking earlier about your daughter who you lost to cancer.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about her.
Well, first of all, she was bigger than life. She loved to have fun. She loved to dance. She loved to take care of people. But unfortunately, when she was 4, she was diagnosed with leukemia. She battled for nearly 6 years and lost her battle 9 years ago when she was 9.
Sorry for your loss.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about, obviously this was a stressful time. I'm sure it was like a roller coaster for your family, for you and your family. What was your experience like here at the hospital?
Believe it or not, it was actually amazingly positive. The staff here, the nurses, the doctors, and even the housekeeping staff, everyone goes out of their way to say hi. They ask how you're doing. They don't only take care of your child, but they take care of you as a parent as well.
Wow, and it seems like this hospital's really left a great impression on you because you're working here now, right? Tell us about your position.
I am, yes. I'm a program coordinator for the development department. So I work with third-party fundraisers. I get to go out to schools, community groups. This Radiothon is all a part of that. And it's just my way to give back. really, I get to live out my daughter's legacy every single day I come to work.
Wow, what a touching story. Now, for people watching today, tell them, why is it important that they donate? Why is it important to you?
It's so important that they donate because without their help, we can't have the programs that we have in this hospital that make children comfortable, that help with distractions, and to have that fun, and to be calm when they're here. We can't do that without the donations. So we really need everyone to rally around. Today's our last day.
Today is the last day. The clock is ticking from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. is when Radiothon goes to.
Correct.
And that graphic should show up right there. For those of you guys interested in donating, you can call 877-719-5437. You can also go to our website at channel3000.com. We'll have a link right there. You can donate online. Lori, I want to say thank you for sharing your story and for waking up dark and early to be here with us. We really do appreciate it. Again,
Thank you.
Adam and Charlotte, that website is channel3000.com, and people can go there to donate as well.
All right, thanks, Eden. It's a great cause. Some of the stories that are being shared, not just by Lori, but on radio, have been spectacular and amazingly powerful. Thanks for your work this morning. We appreciate it.